Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be letting my dogs choose my art supplies, which will be interesting. I originally saw this on Piper's Art on her channel. I'll leave a link to her video in the description box below. Her dog was very talented at this. I'm not so sure my dogs will, what's the word? I'm not so sure my dogs will participate. They might just run off with the pens, who knows. So the way she did it, there were 4 categories and I'm going to be following the same structure. So we've got category 1, which is the type of paper that they want me to use, and then there's the size of the paper, and then category 3 is the mediums. There'll be 2 mediums. And then category 4 is the details. Yeah, so let's just find out what they picked, if they did pick anything. Okay, so this is Max, and this is Lulu. I'm not really sure who's going to be doing the challenge today. We'll have to find out. Okay, go on, Lulu. Which one? Lulu. Which one? Pick one, please. Come on, pick one. Which one of these? Oh, we'll go with that one, I guess. Oh, no. Oh. Okay, I'm not really sure which one that is. Which one? Max! Max! Okay, he's standing on the watercolour one, so we'll go with that one. Okay, so category 2 is A4 or A5. Which one? Which one do you want to go for? This one or this one? Or you just want cuddles? You just want cuddles. Which one? Which one? Next. Okay, A5. Oh, Lulu went for the watercolours and Max went for the felt tips. Okay, doggies. Oh, you can't eat them. Can't eat them. Okay, so the last category is details. Let's see which one. I'm guessing that's ink pens right there. Good choice, Lulu. Good doggos get treats. Paw? Good boy. There you go. Lulu, sit. Sit. And a paw. Not you. Good treat for you. Okay, so I think that went pretty well. They followed along with the rules, okay, and they picked 4 or 5 things, so that's a win for me. So the first thing they picked was watercolour paper, and they chose A5 size, and then the mediums they chose were watercolours and fine tips, which I think was a pretty good match to the paper. Very lucky with that. And then the details they chose were inks, so just ink pens. Yeah, so I don't think that's too bad of a choice. Not necessarily something I'd have picked myself. Yeah, so let's just get straight into the drawings. Okay, so I've got all the supplies laid out that they picked. Obviously there's watercolour paper, and this is the Boldmere A4 Artist watercolour pad. You only get 12 sheets in this. And then we've got Winsor & Newton, excuse how dirty it is, Winsor & Newton watercolour paint. I think these are just from Wilko's fine liner pens. And then of course for detail, so these are my 2 mediums. And then for detail, these are these Faber-Castell ink pens. and they're in the sizes M, F and F. I don't know why I have 2 Fs there. We'll put that one back. There should be a small, so I'll just grab that as well. Okay, because it's autumn, I decided to do an autumnal painting, which of course you could probably guess. I found this really lovely picture on Pinterest of a girl holding a leaf. So here I'm just using the wet on wet method, and then I realised that my brush was hard. It's stuck together, so I've changed the brush here to a bigger brush, which makes it a bit easier. I'm making sure to just go round the leaf and her arm, because I don't want that to be blurry at all. I want that to be really sharp and focused. So now I'm mixing up some colours to create some autumnal colours. Everyone knows those kind of colours, they're like the browns and the oranges. Now I'm just taking them and just putting little dabs of the colour, and this is to kind of create that blurred out look. And you can see where the paper was wet, it's kind of spreading, which really helps to blur out the picture. I'm just mixing a few different colours together, because obviously there's more than one colour leaf. And I'm just going to be repeating the same thing over for a while now, so I'll just leave you to watch the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it and you enjoyed seeing the dogs on my channel. Yeah, so if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you want to follow me on any of my other socials, I'm mainly active on Instagram, which is at Loveofliteratureco. So thank you for watching!